Can a bad mattress cause rib pain? If you've been waking up with aches in your rib area and are wondering if your mattress could be the culprit, you're not alone. Let's explore how your mattress might be affecting your ribs. First, a bad mattress can lack the necessary support for your body, particularly around the rib area. When a mattress doesn't provide adequate support, it can lead to poor sleeping posture. This misalignment can strain the muscles and ligaments around your ribs, resulting in discomfort or pain. Another issue is pressure points. If a mattress is too firm, it can create pressure points, especially around bony areas like the ribs. This pressure can cause pain and discomfort, making it difficult to get a good night's sleep. An old or worn-out mattress is also a common problem. Over time, mattresses can lose their shape and support, leading to poor body alignment and stress on the ribs and spine. This can cause rib pain that you might notice, especially in the morning. Sleeping position can also play a role. Different sleeping positions can distribute pressure differently on your rib cage. For example, if you sleep on your side, you might need extra pillows to support your body and reduce pressure on your ribs. Similarly, using pillows under your rib cage or knees can provide additional support and alleviate rib pain. Visible wear on the mattress is another indicator. If you notice sagging or indentations on your mattress, it's a sign that the mattress is losing its support, which can impact the ribcage area. Regularly assessing your mattress for signs of wear and tear is important to ensure it continues to provide adequate support. In addition to mattress support, the materials used in the mattress can also be a factor. Some people may be allergic to certain materials in mattresses, such as specific foams or fibers, which can cause allergic reactions leading to inflammation and discomfort around the rib area. To address rib pain caused by a bad mattress, you might consider using mattress toppers. These can alter the firmness or cushioning of your mattress, potentially easing rib discomfort. If the pain persists, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional to rule out other potential causes. In summary, a bad mattress can indeed cause rib pain due to inadequate support, pressure points, and poor body alignment. By choosing a supportive mattress and adjusting your sleeping position, you can reduce the strain on your ribs and improve your overall sleep quality. If you're experiencing persistent rib pain, don't hesitate to seek advice from a healthcare professional to ensure there are no other underlying issues.